Welcome to our YouTube channel on jobs, career and discovery. The topic going look today is profit and loss. So today we start first question. The first question is a person buys a watch for Rs 500 and sell it for Rs 300. Find his loss percent. A person buys a watch. A person buys a watch for Rs 500. So his cost price, his CP equal to 500. He buys a watch for Rs 500 and sell it for Rs 300. So his selling price equal to 300. Question asked to our target to find what is his loss percent. So see here, selling price is less than cost price, definitely will be loss. Loss equal to CP minus SP. CP is 500 and SP is 300. So loss will be 500 minus 300. CP is given 500 and SP is given 300. So loss will be 200. RS and here will RS. Our target to find what is his loss percent. So loss percent equal to CP minus SP by CP. CP is given 500 minus SP is 300 RS by CP. So CP is into 100. 1 minute. See once again here, what is loss percent? Loss percent equal to CP minus SP by CP into 100. Loss percent equal to CP minus SP by CP into 100. So loss percent is CP minus SP is 200. Here CP minus SP is comes 200. So keep here 200 by what is CP? CP is given 500. So keep here 500 and into 100. 0 0 cancel, 5 4 ja 20. 0 0 cancel, 5 4 ja 20 and comes 0 here. So loss percent equal to 40%. So 40% is answer of this question. Second question is a boy buys a pen for Rs 5 rupees and sold it for Rs 6. What will be his gain percent? Read again question. A boy buys a pen for Rs 5 and sold it Rs 6. What will be his gain percent? So see here, his CP is 500 and his gain, it means he sold it for Rs 6. So see here, SP is greater than CP. SP is greater than CP, definitely will be profit. So profit equal to SP minus CP. SP is greater than CP. So CP minus SP minus CP. So profit will be 6 minus 5. Rupees. So profit is 1 rupees. See here once again, CP is given 5 and SP is given 6. So 6 is greater than 5. So 1 rupees comes profit. Our target to find what is gain percent. So what is gain percent? Gain percent equal to SP minus CP by CP into 100. SP minus CP comes 1. See here, so 1 by CP is 5. CP is given 5 into hundreds. So 5 to the 10 and 0 here. So gain percent equal to 20%. So 20% is answer of this question. 20% is answer of this question. Question number 3. Ramesh purchased an item for Rs 4000 and sold it at 35% from that amount. He purchased another item and sold it at the loss of 20%. Is his overall gain or loss percent? What is his overall gain or loss? Gain or loss? Read again question. Ramesh purchased an item for Rs 4000 and sold it at 35% from that amount. He purchased another item and sold it at the loss of 20%. What is his overall gain or loss? So see here very carefully. He purchased means his cost price equal to 4000. Okay, and he gained 35% of this amount. So his profit is 35%. So SP is CP plus profit. SP is CP plus profit. What is CP? CP is given 4000. Profit is 35%. What about 35%? 35% is 10% will be 400. 10 into 3 will be 10%. So 4 into 3 will be 1200 plus 5 is remaining. 10% equal to 4000. 5 is out half of 10. So 200 half of 400. So add 200. Add all. 4000 plus 1200 plus 200 will be 5400. So now SP is 5400. In the question given that amount, it means this amount. That amount purchased another item. Now this is CP. Now this is CP 5400 and he loss of 20%. Now he got loss equal to 20%. Now he got 20%. Okay, so SP is CP minus loss. SP is given 5400 and loss is 20%. So 10% will be 540. What about 20%? 20% is 540 into 2 will be 1800. So okay, minus 1080. So SP is 0 and 2, here 3 and 4. So now selling price equal to 4320. CP is 4000 and SP is 4300. So SP is greater than CP, so definitely will be profit. So profit equal to SP minus CP. Profit equal to SP minus CP. So SP is 4320. So keep here 4320. CP is 4000. So solve it, will be 320. So profit equal to 320. So 320 answer of this question. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe it and share with your friend.